Hello friends, this is Bharat Kumar, the voice trainer at this voice modulation workshop and voicemodulationtraining.com. And today I'll be discussing about a very important question which I've been asked by a lot of people. That is my voice good or bad? Let me tell you something very honestly. There is nothing like a good voice or a bad voice. A voice is a voice. Now, what do you do with that voice, or how much you develop that voice, or what kind of modulations do you bring in, or where do you put in a stress, a pause, or when do you stretch, when do you bring in feelings according to the given situation. Okay, so these are very important aspects as far as voice is concerned. Yes, there are some limitations to everyone's voice. Few people have, that bass kind of voice, and few people have that high pitch kind of voice, and few people speak very slow, and few people speak very fast. And if we talk about the voice, everyone has a different texture. Some people have this kind of texture, some people have this kind of texture. So whatever voice you have been gifted with, you need to understand that you need to develop that voice. And how do you develop that voice? There are various exercises for it, and these exercises we'll be discussing in the next videos, which will help you. And the major thing which I will tell you how to develop your voice, the basic thing is that you need to be childlike. Now, what do you mean by childlike? Now, if you'll see kids, okay, they're the best people, or the best example to understand, especially about voice modulation. Whatever is there in their heart, they convey it with their voice, and you exactly know what is going on in their mind, right? So this is one of the most important tip I would like to give you. So till then, keep watching and wait for our other videos. I'll be discussing more on this. And to subscribe to our channel, please click on the red button below. And if you have already subscribed, so you'll be seeing a bell kind of thing close to the subscription button. Okay, so till then, bye-bye. Take care. Jai Hind. voicemodulationtraining.com. Enhance your voice.